Some plants originate far away, but find their cultural identity elsewhere. The epiphyllum is one. Many Chinese know it today, not from botanical guides, but from an idiom, Tanhua Yiqian. The phrase is so common that most naturally assume this flower must be deeply Chinese. Yet botanically, the potted flower we see today is actually an American cactus. What we call Tanhua belongs to the genus Epiphyllum. It breaks the stereotype of a cactus. No round body, no dense spikes, its stems are flat, often mistaken for leaves. Native to Mexico and Central America, it was later brought to Asia. According to the Flora of China, it was introduced here in 1645. By 1936, wild records appeared in Yunnan. In other words, it has been in China for nearly 400 years. Still, its roots lie elsewhere. The real complexity lies in its name. The Tanhua, in that ancient idiom, was not this American cactus. The phrase came from the Buddhist term Udambara. Many records define Udambara as a species of cluster fig. Their blossoms are hidden inside, showing fruit but never the flower. Other texts suggest the Buddhist Udambara was heavily symbolic, a rare, sacred flower seldom seen by human eyes. Later, the Chinese idiom evolved to describe fleeting moments or things when this phrase was born. This cactus was not yet a common household plant in China. Meaning, the potted Tanhua today is not the original plant behind the ancient metaphor. It arrived later and inherited the existing name. The reason was simple: it blooms at night, with massive petals and withers in just hours. This trait mirrored the concept of transience. So the Udambara of Buddhist texts was gradually replaced in daily life by this American cactus. Now, when people use the idiom, they no longer picture a cluster fig or a mythical sacred blossom. They see the white cactus blooming at night and dying by dawn. This is fascinating. The cultural identity of Tanhua in China was not shaped by its origin, nor by botanical science. It stayed for centuries, and because its blooming hours overlapped perfectly with a much older Chinese word in botany, it's an American epiphytic cactus. In language, it became the symbol of the fleeting and rare. If an exotic plant aligns perfectly with an existing word in a culture, it can be completely redefined.